back to my channel. It's been so long since I've done a sit down and chat with you guys session or a talk or a video. Anyways, but I'm super excited because it's been really very long. Like it's been past decade, I guess. Okay, yeah. So I'm actually about to start a very new. Okay, I'm not disclosing it right now because you need to watch the whole video, then only you'll get to know what I'm going to start about, which is very much interesting because it is related to my field. But for now, I'm just giving you a quick, a very quick and a very short, crisp, brief information about how is my life going, where I am, what am I up to nowadays, and basically my life update. So let's go. Okay, so the story begins now. As you guys follow me, or I don't know if you follow me or not, but last year in 2023, I had uploaded one video regarding my health check, my life update, and what I had opted for after my 12th and which college I had joined and how was it going on. But I was not very thorough with it because it was my very first year. I wasn't sure about how would I tackle it and how would I deal with the people, how would I cope up with the studies of Doctor of Pharmacy. It was all something very new to me. But like today, it's been 2 years. I have completed my second year in Doctor of Pharmacy in Parul University, and the picture which I had in my mind before joining Parul University was totally different, and to be very honest, it was on a very negative side. But like after completing two of my very crucial years in Parul, I have realized that you cannot really judge a book by its cover. And I was so sure that I would just end up somewhere in the corner, and I would not like Parul University. But these 2 years have completely changed my mind regarding what Parul is, because the studies, the opportunities, the exposure they give is truly amazing and truly to be appreciated for. So yeah, this is not a sponsored video or something which I'm paid for, but it is truly which is coming from my heart. And of course, as this is my life update, like right after 1 year, so I'm going to be very honest with you guys, because as you know, I'm very honest to you. What I say, what I speak, what I show is what is happening in my life. So yeah, some things I just keep it personal, but yeah, that is another story. So I joined Parul University. I completed my 2 years. Right now I'm waiting for my results for the third year, so that I can promote myself to the third year and my teachers can promote me with all pride to the third year. But yeah, college life has changed me a lot, and I'm sure all my little buddies who are still in the school, you must be feeling like, oh, we'll go to the college, we'll do this, we'll do that. Nothing is there, okay? You just need to study here. So you just enjoy your school life, because once you enter your college life, कुछ नहीं है बाबा, कुछ भी नहीं है. ये जो पेरेंट्स और रिलेटिव्स कहते हैं ना कि एक बार 10th पास कर लो फिर तो मज़े ही मज़े हैं. नो मज़े, फिर 12th है, एंड 12th के बाद मज़े ही मज़े, नो मज़े, फिर कॉलेज है, एंड फिर कॉलेज के बाद जॉब है. it's all in the mind, it's all in the वातावरण. Okay, anyways, yeah, it was just a jokey part. So yeah, college has changed me a lot, especially on this university level. University campus is too vast, humongous. It's just too big. So yeah, it was actually very difficult for me to handle everything in the very first year. But as the time passed by, I learned so many things. It has taught me so many things, and right now it's just like, okay, I know this, I know what is right, what is wrong. So I can not make it out totally, but yeah, I can say to myself, I have that conviction power that yeah, okay, I know this is something which is wrong and this is something which is right. So yeah, it tends to, it tends to make you very strong from what you were in your school life or what you were the past years in your life. It has changed me, and yeah, so that is something which I wanted to tell you about, because I have completed my 2 years and Parul has given me so many opportunities, maybe so many. Like, okay, I don't want to disclose it right now, but yeah, Parul is one of the most biggest campuses which they have, like in India, and yeah, it's truly amazing. If you know Parul University, I'll surely mention their YouTube handle down in the description box. You can definitely check it out, and I'm sure you guys must be knowing about it because their advertisements are everywhere. Railway stations, bus stop, roads, highways, everywhere. So yeah, that's it. And there has to be something which is to be disclosed in this video, I guess. And I was waiting for this since such a long time. Now I'm very much connected with my course which I'm doing right now. That's Doctor of Pharmacy, and which is of 6 years, if you guys know. And so I'm still left with 4 years of my Doctor of Pharmacy, but I want to be a part of your life in a very helpful way. So I wanted to do this, a series. I haven't named it yet, but yeah, it will be out soon. It is for all my pharmacy buddies, all my medical buddies, and also for all the people around, because it is regarding your body, regarding the drugs that you use. Drugs, medicine, okay? Medicine, yeah. In terms of pharmacy, drugs is equal to medicine. So I'm talking about medicines, yeah. Not the narcotic drugs, psychotic drugs, no. Simple, normal drugs. So yeah, I'm about to start a series which will have all the topics, most of the topics covered regarding pharmaceutics, pharmacotherapeutics, community pharmacy, organic chemistry, and everything. I'll try to cover whatever I can in this series, and it will all be for my medical, for my pharmacy, and for my non-medical, non-pharmaceutical public. So that you know everything about your body, about your medicines that you take, about what happens when it goes inside your body, what reactions to your body gives, what reactions does the drug give. You should know everything about it. So yeah, I'll be starting it soon. I'll post the video soon. Yeah, I'm truly blessed to have you all as a part of my family, as a part of my YouTube family. So do wait for these series to come up, because this is going to be very special, very close to my heart, because it is related to my field. So I'm going to enjoy it, and I'm going to let you enjoy it too. Don't stress about your studies. Don't stress about anything. Choose what you love. Do what you love and opt what you love. Don't go into the talks of your relatives or your friends, that take this, take that. वो वही चूज़ करो, वही लो जो आपको पसंद हो. So even if you have just passed your 10th standard, take whatever you want. Science लेना is not the ultimate solution, okay? Arts लेना is not the ultimate solution. Anything, do whatever you want, do whatever you love. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I'll be meeting you soon. I hope you like my videos, and also do wait for this series, because this is going to be a very special. Share it to everyone, because everyone needs to know about this. Got it? So do wait for it, and I'll be coming with a new video on this soon. Till then, bye bye.